EVS 2 Standard 4. Children, we are going to continue with Lesson 1 Maharashtra before Shivaji. In the previous part of the lesson, we learnt that the kingdom of Maharashtra was disturbed by the constant fights of the two sultans, Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes. The sultans had gifted them jagirs. Jagir means a big piece of land given by the sultans as a gift to the Watandars. So the Watandars had the power to rule over the jagir and collect taxes from the people. Taxes means how we pay money to the government, but during those days people had to pay tax to the officers appointed by the king. These Watandars too were only interested in their jagirs. They did not care for its people. The Watandars fought among themselves to get more jagirs, which would make them more and more rich. The people in their jagirs were tired and very unhappy. During this period, Shivaji Maharaj was born. He grew up seeing all this and could not bear to see his people suffer. He wanted to do something for his people. So Shivaji decided to establish Swaraj so that people could be free and happy. Children, you remember the meaning of Swaraj? We learnt it in the previous class. Yes, Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. So, Shivaji turned his attention first to the Watandars. Shivaji spoke to them and told them to stop fighting among themselves. He convinced them for establishing Swaraj. The Watandars agreed and decided to help Shivaji. Now that he had the Watandars on his side, Shivaji turned his attention towards the two great powers, Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur. With the help of a small army, Shivaji fought and defeated the sultans. Thus, Shivaji established Hindavi Swaraj. Hindavi Swaraj was based on justice, means fair treatment with all the people, fair play, proper respect for the rules and following the rules equally by everyone. Equal treatment to all caste and religions means people belonging to different religions should be treated same. Shivaji made no distinctions between the Hindus and the Muslims. Means Shivaji had respect for all the religions. Shivaji Maharaj honored the saints of all religions. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra, and they helped Shivaji Maharaj in establishing Swaraj. We shall learn in the next chapter what these saints did.